Hi, this is Jack with Hydraulic Repair Estimator. We have two websites. Today we're going to talk about our detailed hydraulic cylinder repair estimator at hydraulicrepairestimator.com. When you go there, this is our home page. And you can read on here about our two websites, estimatorforyou.com and hydraulicrepairestimator.com. And once you go here, click sign in. Use your same username, email address, and password from estimatorforyou.com. Sign in. It'll take you to your dashboard. If ever you get lost on here, under My HR Estimator, just go to My Dashboard, and they'll put you right here. First thing you want to do is add and edit company information. This is the part that makes this shop software totally your own software, customization for you. So you can put your company's information in right here, click the pencil, put it in here. Once you're done, click the green check. This is your settings. This is your default settings. Now, you're going to want to change this and make sure you get your hourly rate in there. So we're going to put in $140 an hour on mechanic labor, $140 an hour on machinist labor, $1.25 chrome price. We're going to adjust raw material, adjust material to 140. That's 140%. You know, prices have gone up tremendously. You want to check all these and make sure. Now, you can adjust tube, just rod material, seal material. You can adjust mechanic hours, machinist hours, labor rates. You can put in your tax information for when you create quotes. When you're done, click the green check, and that's your custom portal. This is private to just you only. Now we're going to go back here, and we're going to go back to My Dashboard. And here you can see other places. We have hydraulic cylinder evaluation form right here that goes out in your shop. It goes right along the same lines as the estimator itself. So you can print this out, put it in your shop, and it will go right along the same line as our software. Let's make an estimate real quick. Go to Create Version 2, Create Estimate. You can check out all this stuff, but we're going to do a construction cylinder, solid rod. You can put in inches or millimeters. It doesn't matter, either side. We're going to go 3-inch rod, 40-inch rod length, 5.5-inch bore size, barrel housing length. We're going to put in also 40 inches. We do overall length of 50 inches. We're going to do pin size 2-inch, pin size 2-inch. If you're not sure the pin size, put something close in there. They're not absolutely necessary unless you're really doing like rod eye work, replacing a rod eye, reworking a rod eye, or housing eye or barrel eye. Okay, then we're going to go to step 2, and this is where you do a la carte. I do have some quick quotes in here. For example, a common hydraulic cylinder repair is a reseal and a re-rod. I click that. If you look, it automatically checks some of the boxes. Complete reseal labor, complete seal kit, a re-rod, and a hone. Now, you can add anything you want to this. Just rework a gland. Let's add hazardous waste, shop supplies. Let's add some eye seals to the rod, eye seal to the barrel. Okay, now you can do anything you want. Add a comment. If you put your customers in here, you can pick a customer. Your customer name will come up on the estimate. Shop information, if you have a work order number or PO number. You can adjust your rates on the fly for specific customers or specific contracts or what have you. This will only be for this one estimate. Just view the estimate. There you go. In no time at all, you've got an estimate for a construction cylinder, 3-inch rod, 5.5-inch barrel. Complete seal, reseal labor, 5.38 hours is what we're saying. This is all sell to your customer for. This is your customer's pricing. Seal kit, $115. Rod eye seal, $33.25. Rod material for 3-inch rod, 40 inches long, $289.92 for the material. 4.9 hours to build it. Complete re-rod cost would be $975.92. Barrel seals, barrel hone, 1 hour hone. Gland rework, 2 hours rework the gland. Hazardous material, that's your price. That's the customer's price to rebuild that cylinder, and do that work. It's that simple and that easy. You can email it, you can print it, you can edit it. If you, oh shoot, I forgot something, you can edit, and all this stuff will still be checked, and you can add to it there. You go back and create a new estimate. It's that simple. Have any questions, feel free to call us. All of our information is on the website. Email us, call us. We'll take care of you. Be easy. Enjoy. Thanks.